Get creative with your barbecue cooking this summer with the BBQ Pan from Creative Products. Love the smoky barbecue flavor but hate the waste when delicate and small food slips through the grill or falls apart. The perforated barbecue pan from Creative is ideal when cooking delicate shellfish and roasted veg. These succulent flavors will taste great and impress your guests. The holes are large enough to let that delicious barbecue flavor soak into the food, but small enough to prevent expensive foods from breaking up and falling into the grill. How about some healthy, tasty seared tuna steaks? With the barbecue pan, it cooks to perfection without falling apart and is so easy to serve. Looks and tastes amazing. Now you can keep foods such as vegetables and fruit separate from sausages, burgers and chicken to maintain good food hygiene whenever cooking outdoors. Do you love barbecued salmon but find it falls apart on your grill? No problem with the Creative Barbecue Pan. Just place it carefully and grill until cooked. It doesn't stick and is soon ready to serve. Your guests will simply love it. Cooked like a pro. The fillets stay intact and taste so good. How about chili-coated prawns? Almost impossible over a traditional barbecue grill, but easy with barbecue pan, which keeps them safely contained, while allowing that smoky flavor to soak through. For a healthy vegetarian option, why not try some Mediterranean barbecued vegetables? Highly nutritious with a delicious roasted flavor and taste. With the barbecue pan, you can avoid cross-contamination with other foodstuffs, making it ideal for people with food allergies and special dietary requirements. You can even try this tasty dessert. Place some halved bananas in the barbecue pan. Add some sugar, then simply grill. Delicious. Barbecue pan can even be used on smaller disposable barbecues. It's easy to clean too. Simply let it cool, soak and wash. The handle even folds away for easy storage. Whether roasting mushrooms or barbecuing steak and onions, Barbecue Pan gives you total control. Get creative this summer and take yours to the checkout now.